What if every client you've ever helped became a walking, talking billboard for your business without you even having to ask? That's exactly what happens when you build and protect a five-star reputation. In part one, I showed you how to think like a five-star agent, how systems, communication, and consistency shape your brand. But if you're joining me here for the first time, no problem. This video stands on its own. Today, I'll show you the exact steps to build and automate your own reputation engine, how to ask for Google reviews, capture authentic client videos, handle negative feedback, and turn all that proof into consistent referrals. Let's get started. Start with what earns the review in the first place. Be the agent people rave about, not because of luck, but because of skill and systems. Follow your full 7-step listing process every single time. Deliver on your communication promise and your above and beyond search guarantee. Practice furiously fast lead follow-up until it becomes muscle memory. When you operate at that level, clients talk about the experience, not just the transaction. Consistency creates your reputation, and your reputation creates your next listing. The best moment to ask for a review is when enthusiasm is highest, the key handoff, the final walkthrough, or right after closing. Say, "Quick favor, if I earned it, would you leave a short Google review?" It really helps local families find the right agent. Thank you. Have your review link ready. Sign in to your Google business profile, search your business name, click Ask for Reviews, copy your unique link, and text or email it on the spot. You can even print a small thank you card with a QR code that opens your review page and hand it over at closing. They scan, tap, and type, done in under a minute. Now for your best marketing tool, quick video testimonials. At the final walkthrough or key handoff, ask, "Would you mind sharing in 20 seconds what it was like working with me?" Keep it natural. Stand near a window for good light, hold your phone vertically, and just record. Then ask permission to share it and upload that clip as a YouTube short or Instagram reel. Save every video in a playlist called Client Stories. AI reads those transcripts and connects the words in your video with your name, your city, and your profession. That visibility is better than any old school SEO trick ever was. If a negative review appears, stay calm. Step 1, respond quickly but never argue. Step 2, move it offline. Say, "I'm sorry we missed for you here. I'd like to make it right. Could we connect directly?" That line alone can stop most situations from escalating. Step 3, report anything fake or inappropriate. And step 4, counterbalance it fast. Ask 5 happy clients to post genuine reviews. Newer feedback will bury older noise. Never pay anyone to remove a review or post fake positives. Authenticity always wins. If a client seems frustrated before closing, say, "I can tell this has been stressful. Let me take ownership and get it back on track." Most issues fade right there. You solved the problem privately and protected the relationship publicly. Once you're getting consistent feedback, create a routine to manage it. Every Friday, spend 15 minutes on your reputation review. Google your name, reply to new comments, share one client story on social, and add one new review slide to your listing presentation. Use a spreadsheet or CRM tag called Review Complete, so you can track who's left one and who hasn't. Aim for 3 new reviews every month, steady momentum that compounds over time. Keep your name and brand consistent everywhere. AI and search engines cross-check everything: name, photo, logo, phone, email. Make sure it all matches across Google, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Zillow. Once a month, type your name plus your city and the word realtor into Google. What shows up is your storefront. If something looks off, update it. Clean and consistent always beats clever and complicated. We're in a new era of digital trust. AI doesn't care about backlinks or hashtags. It scans what's real. Verified reviews, client videos, and consistent data tell AI this person is credible. Every piece of authentic content you post trains the system to show you to more people. That's your invisible credibility engine working for you. Now take all those reviews and turn them into referrals. Add 3 strong quotes to your presentations. Include a link to your Google reviews or your client stories playlist in your email signature. Mention it naturally when talking with prospects. I've helped dozens of families just like yours. If you'd like, I can send you a few of their stories. You're not bragging, you're offering proof. 1 review builds trust. 10 consistent reviews build authority. But when you start showing those reviews in your presentations, newsletters, and social posts, They compound. Your past clients become part of your listing team, quietly marketing for you 24/7. Run this simple workflow. Before closing, move the client into your review stage and have your link ready. At closing, capture the 20-second video and the Google review. Same day, upload it to your playlist. That week, post one clip or quote graphic. Once a month, audit your profiles and gather 3 new reviews. Always end each transaction with gratitude and a gentle referral line. If someone you care about needs help next, I'll take great care of them. If this helped, click the links below. You'll find the same systems and resources I use in my own business. Everything you need to keep growing with structure, systems, and confidence. Join the private Real Estate Agent Growth Systems Facebook group, subscribe on YouTube, and book a free strategy call to see what private coaching could look like for you. I'm Ken Gould. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.